How to use Discord on PS4. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can use Discord on your PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to use Discord on your PS4, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, let's say, first of all, you have to understand one thing, and that is that your Discord is not actually equipped with your PlayStation, right? So from the PlayStation store you will not be able to download Discord, but you can still use Discord because our PlayStation 4 is equipped with an internet browser. So open up the internet browser in this case, and you just need to head over to discord.com here as well. And once you head over to discord.com over here, which in this case is discord.com URL, you should be able to see a list of all these options here. And when you go to these options, you'll find one option that says open Discord in your browser. And once you select the open Discord in your browser option, you should be able to log into your account on your PlayStation and then start using Discord. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically use Discord on PS4. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.